Hello my dear children, this is Vijaya Hokasa, your mathematics teacher. In the previous class, we have learned chapter 4 subtraction for class 1. What is subtraction children? Taking object away by counting is called subtraction. In subtraction, minus sign is very important to solve the problems. Then we have learned subtraction can be done in two different ways. Subtracting across, subtracting vertically. Today we will learn two new topics, that is subtraction on number line, subtraction and. First we will discuss subtraction on number line. First, I will show you how to draw a number line. My dear children, have you seen the scale? Look at here. What is this? This is a scale. Can you see numbers on it? Yes, we will draw this on the board. Children, with the help of the scale, we will draw a straight sleeping line. Look at here how I am drawing. Observe carefully. You have to draw straight sleeping line. After drawing a sleeping line, where we have started the line, there you have to put one small standing line and write below 0. Remember children, the number line always starts with 0. With the help of this scale, we will divide this number line in 9 equal parts. See children, be careful and observe careful how I am putting the and dividing the line in the 9 equal parts. Look at here children. Can you see scale? Number, can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On the same number, see here the starting point I kept 0 point. Now 1, you have to just mark it on the number line. Where is 1? Straight above. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Observe carefully how I marked. After writing numbers on the number line, we close the number line by using arrow mark. This is called number line. This number line can also be used for backward counting. What is backward counting children? The number counting from backward is called backward counting. Count with me children now. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. See children, I have something for you. What is this? This is a robot. This robot wants to walk on this line. He is jumping like this. 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. How the robot is jumping? Forward. How the robot is jumping? Forward. Now this robot want to jump from 9 to 0. Means backward side. The robot is on the 9th place. So he want to jump till 0, 1 by 1. How we will jump? 9 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6. How the robot is jumping? Backward. 6 to 5, 5 to 4. If he jumps like this, it is called forward jumping. If it is jump like this, it is called backward jumping. Now he is jumping 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 0. Backward jumping. Now we can use this number line for subtraction. Now we'll solve some problems by using this number line. Let us subtract 3 from 7. It means 7 minus 3. What we will get? We will find out by using this number line. See children, what is this number? First number. What we wrote? Number 7. Now just find out where is 7 on this number line. Can you just show me where is 7 on the number line? Children, it is here. So, always, as I told you, to subtract some number, we have to start from 0. So, now, you have to jump 7 places forward. You have to jump 0 to 7. How we are jumping? Forward. 0 to 7. So put arrow mark. Which is this arrow mark? Forward arrow mark. Now, what is subtracting? What is you are taking away? 3. What is the number? 3. Don't see 3 and put circle. No, you have to jump 3 place backward. So, where we have jumped first? On 7. From 7, you have to jump 3 places backward because we are doing subtraction. So, we have to jump 3 places backward. So, from here, you count 3 places from back side. Leave 7. You should not include this 7. You should leave 7. Now you count 1, 2, 3. What we get? After counting 3 places back side, what we get? We get 4. Yes children, we get 4. Now jump 7 to 4. How we are jumping? Backward. So put backward arrow. Look at carefully. Observe this. This is forward arrow and this is backward arrow. See children, be careful. Don't see second number and jump there. You have to count the second number backward. So, after solving this, what we get? 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. Let us see one more example children. 8 minus 6. What we will get? So, as I said you, first we have to go for first number. What is the first number? It is 8. Now what we have to do? We have to search where is 8 on the number line. Where is 8? It is here. Now what we had to do? You had to jump. Remember, always start with 0. You have to jump 0 to 8. How? Forward. Yes. What we had to draw? Forward arrow mark. How we are jumping? Forward. 8 places forward. Then what is the second number? 6. So what we have to do now? You have to count 6 places backward from 8. So shall we start counting 6 places backward? Leave 8. Don't count 8. Don't include this 8. You have to leave this. Start from 7. Count. Count the 7 as 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After counting 6 places backward, what we get? We get 2. Circle. What we get? Circle that number. Then from 8 you have to jump till 2 and put backward arrow mark. How we are jumping? Backward. So we have to use backward arrow mark. So after solving this, what we are getting? 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. I hope you all have understood how to subtract by using this number line. The next topic is subtraction app. It also be known as word problem. Subtraction app means they will give you some question type problems. Look at here, children. There is one question. Now read with me. There were 7 roses on a plant. 4 of them were plucked. How many roses are left? Now you have to solve this problem. Look at here, children. What they are saying? There were 7 roses. Look at here. There were 7 roses on a plant. See, let's count how many roses are there on the plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 roses on the plant. 4 of them were plucked. Now I will pluck 4 roses. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many roses are left? Now, how many roses are left on the plant? Just see and count. 1, 2, 3. Can you see more roses on the plant? No. So, how many are remaining? There are 3. You can solve this problem on this plant. But how you will solve here? Let's solve this problem on the board. See here. Solution. There were 7 roses. What is this number? This is 7. The first number is 7. So first we will write here 7 on a plant. 4 of them were plucked. So what is the next number? It is 4. So write the next number 4 of them were plucked. How many roses are left? Left. What is this? Left. Left means you have to subtract. So minus sign. How we have arranged this? We have arranged this number in across sleeping line way. So 7 minus 4 is equals to solve this simple way, you can also do by this. What is this? 7. Draw 7 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to cut 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we got? 1, 2, 3. 3 lines are remaining. So what we got the answer? 3. So we got the answer. 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. How many roses are left? There are 3 roses are left. Let's see one more example. Read with me this the question. 4 birds were on the terrace. 3 of them flew away. How many birds are there on the terrace now? Look at here, children. What is this? This is a house. This is called terrace. So, 4 birds were on the terrace. See here, 4 birds are sitting on the terrace. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds are sitting on the terrace. 3 of them flew away. Now 3 birds will fly. See, 1 went. 2, 3. 3 birds flew away. How many birds are there on the terrace now? Can you observe? How many birds are there on the terrace? Only 1 bird left out. Shall we solve this problem here? See here. First you have to write solution. How many birds? there on the terrace? There are 4 birds. What is the first number? It is 4. So we have to write first here. How we have to arrange the number? In sleeping line way, subtracting across. 4 birds were on the terrace. This 4 you have to write here. 3 of them flew away. How many birds flew away? 3. So what we are doing? Subtracting. How many birds are there on the terrace now? 4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. How many birds were left out? 1. So the solution is there is 1 bird left out on the terrace. I hope you all have understood today's topics, that is subtraction on number line and subtraction app. With the next subtopics, we'll meet you soon in the next class. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye. Bye-bye.